You're looking at this bit holder keychain. This will hold your bits with this D-ring. Real nice. So you basically can put them on there with a quick release, it's a tough word, but these basically just flip in there and they hold in there real well. This is really nice for like, especially when you're like climbing up on a ladder. I always just keep these on my tool bag as well. You can easily hold all kinds of different bits. So it's really convenient. You know, when you want to pull one out, you just pull it out and it comes out. I got the 2-pack, so this is, you know, what it comes in. This is actually what it looks like, you know, and you just basically put them on this D-ring. Now, you could put a lot more on here or a lot less, so it's completely customizable. I'll show you here. You just run this down and you can open it up. So if I wanted to, if I move these down, I could open this up and dump them all out, right? And I can only have 1 or 2 if I wanted to on there. So really nice. Take a closer look. I'll kind of do a little bit slower. You just pull this down and it quick releases. These are very big and they have like a good actual like gnawing on there, so you don't like, it's not, so you basically can grip it, right? And when you want to put it in, you just put it in. You don't have to do anything. When you want to take it out, you take it out. These will hold up to 40 pounds. That's what I see online. I haven't tested that, but yeah, I mean, I can't pull that out and it doesn't really damage or anything like that. So I don't see any issue, you know, with it. So really nice. Check them out.